Smart lights have historically been really expensive. The bulbs cost a lot, and then you often need a hub or a bridge just to make them work. But now that's changing. I'm Erin from Tech Gadgets Canada and Tech Gadgets International, and Amazon Basics smart bulbs are a budget smart lighting choice for an Alexa-enabled home. They're made to integrate into your Alexa ecosystem, working with the Amazon Echo line of smart speakers. Plus, they are also very affordable, and they actually offer a lot of bang for your buck, particularly because you don't need an extra hub or a bridge like something like Philips Hue does. But do they do as much as other smart bulbs, or are they a fairly good choice? In this review, I've bought a set of 2 Amazon smart bulbs. I'll install them, test them out, and see how easy they are to operate, how they integrate into my smart home, and if I can recommend them as a worthy alternative to pricier smart home lighting kits like Philips Hue. Let's take a look at what you get. The Amazon smart bulbs have regular standard bases, and you can choose between adjustable white, which uses bluer or yellower white light. There's also basic dimmable soft white, and there's color changing options too. They're equivalent to a 60-watt light bulb, but using just 7.5 watts because they're LED bulbs. So overall, they're using less energy than those old incandescent bulbs. At about $13 per bulb, the color-changing option of the Amazon Basics smart bulb is one of the least expensive smart bulbs of its kind on the market. These Amazon Basics smart bulbs were really easy to set up and to use in my experience, which makes them ideal for beginners. Now, one issue with these Amazon branded bulbs is that they're not compatible with other smart home platforms, things like Apple HomeKit or with the Google Assistant. So if you're looking for a way to control your lights from other devices besides that Amazon Echo or Alexa enabled speakers, these won't be the bulbs for you. Like most Alexa-enabled devices, getting these bulbs set up is easy. Just screw the light bulb in, then head over to your Alexa app. Chances are Alexa will already have discovered your bulb, but if not, you can choose Add Device, then choose Light, and follow the instructions in the app. In my case, by the time I opened up the app, Alexa had seen the bulbs and already added them to my home, including managing the Wi-Fi connection process. I basically just needed to do nothing. I was then able to create a room for them so I could control them a little easier with my voice. Turn bedroom lights off. Okay. You can ask Alexa to dim your lights, change their color, or turn the lights on and off, or you can use the Alexa app on your phone when you're not within earshot of an Alexa microphone. So what's it like to use these Amazon Basics smart light bulbs? Using the lights is just as easy as the setup process was. You can simply ask Alexa to turn them on or off, or to adjust their color, or to dim them to a certain percentage of brightness. You can, of course, also use Alexa routines to have them turn on or off at certain times of day or night. I created a routine where the lights would come on automatically in the evening. I chose a soothing soft light to make sleep enticing, and it was nice to be able to walk into the bedroom at bedtime to an automatic soft glow. When I was ready to fall asleep, I could just ask Alexa to turn them off, or I would tap the command on the app if I didn't want to wake my husband. With those routines, you can also integrate your light bulbs into other processes. For example, you can say, "Hey, good morning," and have your lights turn on, your smart speaker give you the weather, and your Alexa Hamilton Beach smart kettle turn the water on to boil for your coffee. Or you could have a routine set up where if someone rings your Ring video doorbell, you could have the smart lights turn on. Amazon's routines are infinitely customizable and relatively easy to set up depending on what type of triggers and processes that you're particularly looking for. Overall, these are a super affordable and very capable smart lighting option. While they can be used only in an Alexa-enabled smart home with an Echo device to act as that central control hub, they do work extremely well. They're easy to set up and easy to control with your voice or with the Alexa app. I can absolutely recommend these smart light bulbs to you if you're looking to branch out or expand your smart lighting. They sell for about $13 US or $22 Canadian each, or you can get a price break on a pack of 4. You can get them, of course, from Amazon. If you want to see what the competition is up to, you can check out my full review of the Philips Hue starter kit for smart lighting, which is a great option, but it's a bit more involved. Or see why I refuse to recommend LifeX lights after 2 review sessions with them right now.